In this video, we will explore the 5 best car vacuum cleaners in 2025, covering everything from suction power and portability to battery life and unique features. Whether you need a compact handheld model or a powerful cleaner for deep detailing, we have got something for every type of car owner. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. BALASHOV Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The BALASHOV Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner packs a serious punch with its 120-watt motor and strong suction power of 6,000 Pascal. Whether it is stubborn pet hair, crumbs, or fine dust, this compact cleaner handles it all with ease. Say goodbye to tangled cords. This vacuum is completely cordless. Weighing just 1.6 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight and portable. You can carry it from room to room or out to your car without breaking a sweat. It comes with 2 handy attachments, a crevice tool for those hard-to-reach corners and a dusting brush for more delicate surfaces. It is versatile enough for everything from sofa cushions to tight spaces between car seats. The powerful 3,500 mAh battery gives you up to 30 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. And with fast charging in just 3 to 4 hours, you are ready to go again in no time. Safety measures are built in, so you do not have to worry about overcharging or overheating. One of the best features, it handles both wet and dry messes. From dry dust and debris to small liquid spills of up to 100 milliliters, this vacuum can clean it all. Plus, the washable, reusable filter makes it cost-effective and eco-friendly. And finally, the built-in LED light is a game-changer. It illuminates dark areas under seats or in corners, making sure nothing gets left behind. Number 4. SZUK C13 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The SZUK C13 Car Vacuum Cleaner is a high-performance device powered by a professional-grade pure copper brushless motor. It combines 4 powerful functions: sucking, blowing, drawing, and charging, making it a truly multifunctional cleaning tool. Engineered with a comprehensive performance upgrade, it delivers efficient results using advanced technology. Its one-key dust-pouring system allows you to empty the vacuum with a single press, quick, clean, and contact-free. Designed for deep cleaning, this vacuum offers 3-speed suction modes and features a dual air duct system to maintain powerful suction across different surfaces. The Type-C fast-charging interface ensures rapid recharging, so the vacuum is always ready when you need it. The compact body folds at a 90-degree angle, allowing for easy storage and effortless portability. It comes with a full set of multifunctional attachments. The brush suction nozzle cleans intricate gaps, while the brush blowing nozzle is ideal for clearing dust from narrow areas. The small blowing mouth is perfect for computer cases and keyboards, and the large air nozzle can inflate airbeds or toys with ease. Whether you are detailing your car interior or tidying up around the house, the SZUK C13 is designed to handle it all. Its wireless design provides freedom of movement, so no corner is out of reach. This is more than just a vacuum. It is a complete cleaning solution in a compact, foldable, and powerful package. Number 3. ITUTN Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. The ITUTN Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and compact solution designed specifically for cleaning cars, vacuuming dust, and even blowing debris away. Made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, it weighs just 380 grams, making it ultra-lightweight and easy to carry or store. At its core is a high-speed motor that delivers up to 15,000 pascals of suction power. With a peak power output of 120 watts and a continuous rating of 50 watts, it provides robust cleaning performance without the limitations of a cord. This vacuum features a dual-mode function, Easily switch between suction and blowing modes to tackle dirt in tight spaces like car door seams, air vents, and cup holders, or to remove peat hair from upholstery with precision. Powered by 2 lithium batteries with a combined capacity of 4,000 mAh, it delivers up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. The low operating noise level of just 52 decibels ensures a quiet cleaning experience. Engineered to withstand a wide range of conditions, the ITUTN vacuum performs reliably in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. The washable dust-locking filter screen adds an environmentally friendly touch. Simply rinse and reuse, reducing both cost and waste. Whether at home or on the road, the ITUTN wireless car vacuum cleaner is designed to keep your space spotless with power, portability, and convenience. Number 2. CENRR Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. The CENRR Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers an extraordinary suction power of 998,000 pascals, more than enough to eliminate dust, debris, pet hair, and fine particles with ease. Its cordless design offers maximum mobility, making it perfect for cleaning both indoors and outdoors without the limitation of power cords. Powered by an upgraded pure copper brushless motor, this vacuum ensures faster operation and stronger suction. Whether you are cleaning your vehicle, your home, or an outdoor area, the CENRR vacuum is engineered to perform. Its 4-in-1 functionality includes sucking, blowing, pumping, and inflating, making it a true multitasking tool. Clean tight corners, remove dirt from upholstery, inflate swimming rings, or vacuum seal storage bags with one compact device. The innovative direct current air duct design minimizes air resistance, while the turbine blades generate a powerful airflow boost, ensuring every surface gets thoroughly cleaned. The vacuum is equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery that supports extended cleaning sessions. With 3 adjustable suction speeds, indicated by green, yellow, and red lights, you always know how much power you have left. Its washable filter element makes maintenance simple and environmentally friendly. Just rinse, dry, and reuse, no need for constant replacements. Fast charging is made easy with the Type-C interface, giving you multiple charging options wherever you are. The CENRR Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner combines power, efficiency, and versatility in one compact and reliable cleaning solution. Number 1. Baseus AP2 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus, a P2 wireless car vacuum cleaner, features an innovative electric silicone roller brush that effectively picks up pet hair and debris without any hair tangling. This makes it ideal for cleaning upholstery and carpets, especially for pet owners who need thorough and hassle-free cleaning. This handheld vacuum comes with 3 versatile attachments: a brush head for dusting keyboards and hard floors, a crevice tool for reaching tight spots, and the electric roller brush for deeper cleaning. Whether it is pet hair in your car or dust around the house, the Baseus P2 covers all your cleaning needs. A built-in, super bright LED light illuminates dark areas like car trunks or under furniture, ensuring no debris is missed. Its cordless design allows for easy maneuverability and access to hard-to-reach places. The vacuum includes a large 1,000 milliliter dustbin, which lets you clean multiple rooms or vehicles without frequent emptying. Simply press a button to release the dust, keeping your hands clean. Powered by a strong 10,000 mAh battery, it provides up to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. With a high power output of 160 watts, it maintains strong suction throughout use. Additionally, the Baseus AP2 is equipped with a denser high-efficiency particulate air filter that captures 99.99% of particles, as small as 0.3 microns. This washable and reusable filter helps keep your environment allergen-free while promoting sustainability. There you have it, the top 5 car vacuum cleaners to keep your vehicle spotless in 2025. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite pick. Thanks for watching.